It's like that episode of Atlanta, the finale when they ain't trust the nigga sushi making abilities because he was a nigga.
Hey Meech, what you cooking? You got it, and if you don't, that's okay. We still love you anyway. This is Meech's Untitled, Unperfect, Uncensored Cooking Show.
Let that man cook.
Alrighty, yeah. Not gonna lie, we fucked up a little bit, y'all. The mic was all fucked up. That's why you watching me talk and you can't hear the words I'm saying. To paraphrase, we're gonna take this fucking sushi rice, measure this motherfucker out. I know I usually don't measure shit, but rice, you wanna measure what you got going on. I believe I did like a cup and 3/4. Do whatever you need for your ideal yield. Understand what I'm saying? You know, again, I'm not gonna lie to y'all motherfuckers. I got no reason to. I grew up eating the bag rice, the one you just drop in the hot pot. So I could not tell you how to wash your rice. I really don't know. I'm just doing what I've seen. Put some water in that motherfucker, swirl it around, rinse it out till it washed clear. That bitch gonna be real milky at first. Don't get scared. That's just rice water.
Next we doing, you feel me? Little green onion. Green onion is a little flimsy. I don't know if you see it, so you're gonna keep them together. Cut that off at the bulb. You know, if you're into that, you can replant this. Throw in a little water, replant it. Fortunately, I am not. Now I like green onions, so I'm gonna try to cut them as thinly as possible, but you wanna make sure they're close together. Don't smash these hoes either. Just hold it kinda like, see I'm holding it cylinder-like. Look over it, make sure they cut up right. This one wasn't fully, so we just double back on our work. You know what I mean? It's never too late to go back and change something. Fix something, be a better person. Whenever you want to apply that in your life. But fortunately, I'm talking about green onion cutting. All right, here we got all the leaves. I'm trying to take these little leaves off. All right, so there we got it. Green onions, broccolini. You know what I mean? That can even be cut a little bit more. You could turn that into 2 brocs. Now, from my understanding, you're supposed to put equal parts of water as cups as you have of rice. I got approximately like a cup and 3/4. But we also gonna put like a little, probably like 1 cup of water, 1 1/4 of water, and a half a cup of beef broth, just to flavor it up a little bit. I never used this bitch before. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Shouldn't be on though. Shit warm. Anyways, we're gonna start with the beef. A little bit of olive oil. Mind you, I want y'all to know I've never done this before. So if you Asian and you like doing that shit wrong, my mama don't do it like that. I am not your mother.
Meech taught you how to cook food, but he is not your mother. He is not your mother.
A little bit of balsamic vinegar in there. Damn, I ain't got no garlic? My garlic at? What going on? Oh, okay. I used to not drink. I used to not fuck with soy sauce because I thought it was like I didn't eat Chinese food and I didn't grow up eating none of those flavors. I didn't realize that shit just like salt. That shit like liquid salt. Thinly cut beef. Again, I did not go to H Mart. I went to fucking Kroger. I would've got some Bengalese. Just throw that motherfucker in there. Now again, I ain't never did this shit before. I also have never in my life purchased ginger paste. That might have been too much. That honestly might have been too much. But this is a show where you could fail forward. You know what I mean? What's stopping me from trying this recipe again in the near future? Nothing. We got on like a medium heat. We're not trying to like sear this bitch or nothing like that. We just trying to get it go all brown. Gonna cook it to like a nice medium well. This don't smell like it's hitting no shit though. Like red curry paste. It don't smell like it's hitting. Like I feel like I made better shit at Korean barbecue. I mean, hot pot. Yeah, I don't like how this one smells either. Got soybeans in it. All these beans. Mushroom powder. They bugging. I'm gonna throw it in there anyway. We're about to not really saute, but kind of like just cook our broccoli a little bit so the palate, like the taste of it isn't too off, like the texture. Gonna get a little bit of this garlic. A little bit of garlic go a long way. And some soy sauce.
Nigga, cause I can't see shit. Swear to God, I can't see shit with these glasses on, nigga. These glasses be having me blind and motherfucker when I'm up close.
Now I'm just trying to coat the broccoli and the sauce at the bottom. I'm adding a little bit of red curry paste to the broccolini. Literally like the tip of the tiny ass spoon. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna mix that up some more. The shake and bake not gonna get it to mix, so I'm gonna use a spoon to get it around. This should look like this, all green and covered. You feel me? Yeah. This also might be easier in a what's this called? Skillet? Yeah, in a skillet. But I didn't have any smaller skillets, so I can use this up. Pretty straight. Pretty straight. Not the most fucking best quality of beef for this, but I think the rice and everything gonna round it out very well.
I try something. You know, niggas put that rice in that pastry bowl, flip it up. I might try that shit. I ain't never did it before. But y'all know how I rock. Everything that ain't never been done before can get done. And if you fail, just do it all over again. There's no real failures in life because you try. Oh. Hey! Yeah, it's a little rusty. It wasn't supposed to flip till I flipped it. I was supposed to tap on the bottom of that bitch. You know, but shit. Happy mistakes. Like my nigga Bob Ross said. Happy accidents. I think I gotta move faster when I do it. Oh, wait. Nice. God damn it, bitch. Stand up. Stand up!
Nah, I'm aware I could have cut this whole thing out and just got straight to the finished product. But see, that's the problem with us nowadays. We don't never want to see how the shit made. How the bad bitch became the bad bitch. We just want the bad bitch. Throw a little soy sauce on that bitch. You know what I mean? A little sodium ain't never hurt nobody. Except African American community. green onion.
Oh yeah, I got so happy. It's my favorite fucking part. Look at the colors. Look at the fucking colors, ladies and gents. I like green onions, nigga. What can I say? What can I say? I like green onions, man. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Really? Why?
I don't know what this is about to hit like. I ain't never made no shit like this. I have no idea how to make Asian cuisine. Except like ramen noodles.
Alright. I mean, that's cool though. It's all about trying new things. It looked good.
Thanks, man.
It got the look, at least.
Yeah, I could do that. I could dress a bitch up for sure.
Got the smell. There's two things going for it. You got the taste too? Like classic broccoli and beef taste. Like everything you expect out of broccoli and beef is what it is. Little kick, what's that?
I don't know. I don't know. It was a point when you wasn't looking, I was just adding shit, bro. It's probably the sauce I put on top at the end.
Yeah, that kinda look like it's hot.
That's why I put that bitch on the edge of the spoon and just dripped it.
No, it's good though. Rice is cooked really good. The meat is cooked very well.
If I could redo it, I would do it with like Asian meat, like Bengalese or something
Yeah,
like
like
that.
something like thin.
Yeah, this is too tough for me.
I feel you.
For this meal, you know what I mean?
I feel you.
But I'm happy with the result of the like flavor palette.
It's like pepper steak.
Yeah, yeah.
This is exactly what it tastes like.
I feel like we're doing like a not chopped cheese though. Philly cheesesteak. This shit was made for a Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, it's good though. Broccoli's good too.
The broccoli's my favorite part.
I know you don't like sesame seeds, but those shits would have slapped on it.
Man, the thing is, I was in the store, I said, I need sesame seeds. I completely forgot to get them. Just aesthetically,
For sure.
it would have been crazy. I know y'all be watching this and y'all be like, what do you eat, Meech? Here I am.
I swear, every episode you say, I don't eat this.
And it be what I'm cooking.
Every single time, dude.
We're down one man because the chopped cheese took him out.
Man, that man's taking a nap. Out of 10 though, it's a solid 8.
Nice.
Solid 8.
I give it like a 7.5.
Yeah. I give it 8 because just because presentation, smell, and then taste. And then there's, I mean, like clearly, like you said, you wish you used different meat. I feel that. So, yeah. But everything else was up to par, bro.
Thanks, man. And we're gonna double back on this recipe. They ain't gonna be the same joint, but I'm gonna go to Asian Mark. Fuck the city up.
New York City, you listen to me. If you're near a convenience store right now, any type of 24-hour store, go into the store right now and put your hand in the cash register for no reason.
I'm gonna do some research after this video. It's been another episode, East with Meech. Got Valandis, got Meech.
Somebody just pushed their album back.
Hey, don't go nowhere. You know what I mean? If you like this episode, make sure you come back next week. We doing that chopped cheese. Make sure you drop a comment, a like, Subscribe if you want to. Hey, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Well, you know, I'm telling you what I would like you to do, and this is a little suggestion.
Hell no, who is that? Yeah, I don't know who that is. I have to do some research when I get done with this interview.